Hello Librans, welcome to my page and thanks for joining. In this video, this is your current energy check-in. So I'll be taking one card for your overall energy and then clarifying what that is. Okay, so let's see what is the overall energy for Librans. What's the overall energy for Librans? Okay, so we have the Three of Wands as your overall energy. So you are waiting for something, waiting for some sort of ready to leave things behind and move ahead in your life. It can be that you're just waiting for the right time, right opportunity, or something like that. But it is that you are ready to move. You are ready to move ahead. You are ready to let go of something, or maybe embark on a new journey. Maybe some new beginning, whatever it is. But here you are ready to act. Okay, you are ready to act here. That's what I feel. Just waiting for the right time, right person, right opportunity, whatever that is. We'll see. Why is this Three of Wands here for Librans? Why is this Three of Wands here for Librans? So for the Three of Wands, we have the Five of Swords, the Six of Wands, the Sun, the Wheel of Fortune. Oh, seems to be good here. Four of Pentacles, the Page of Wands, and the Two of Wands, the Temperance, High Priestess, so Librans, what I feel here is that there was a situation in which there was some sort of manipulation and mind games going on. Okay, and what I feel is you really want to leave that. Okay, you want, with the Six of Wands and the Sun, you really want happiness, stability, spotlight, celebrations, victory, and that is what you are moving towards here with the Three of Wands. You are leaving behind, or maybe there is, with the Five of Swords, maybe you were dealing with certain people who were causing a lot of anxiety to you. And that is what, see, it can be you are trying to convince them for something, they're not getting convinced, type of a thing, not getting the required support and all. Some mind games, strategies are going on, some manipulation is going on. Whatever it was, you are ready to leave it behind in search of your happiness. You want happiness, and that is what you are getting. Okay, it can be, one more thing is that since you are going ahead in this path, which is, seems to be very major and destined over here, maybe there are people who are trying to stop you and playing those mind games and strategies. It can be that also. Okay, so it can go both ways. Either you are, and still in that case also, you are leaving behind all that energy. Okay, you are ready to let go and sort of ignore that energy, you can call it that way also. So whatever this is, you are feeling happy, celebrated, victorious. You are really very happy, and you are, there is some major change which is coming up in your life. That's what I feel. Things are changing, things are moving. And what I feel here is, with the Four of Pentacles, you are keeping things to yourself. Okay, whatever this is, with the Six of Wands, you are feeling very, very happy, as I've said. With the Sun and the Wheel of Fortune, things are changing. You know something is changing in your life, and you have manifested this change. You have started this change. You know that you are moving towards a certain path. Okay, or a certain goal, or a certain person, whatever it is. Maybe people are trying to stop you, or maybe there was some mind games, whatever it was. But anyway, this is travel for you right now, because there's a huge shift coming in your life, and you are ready to manifest it. Okay, with the Four of Pentacles, what I feel is you are really keeping this to yourself. It's very precious to you. You really don't want to spoil it, and you are feeling very happy about it. With the Page of Wands, and you know what it is. Okay, so what I feel here is, it is the time of a pause in your life. It's like you are building things, you are building things, you are working on something, you are building it up, but you are not sharing it with anyone. It's like a project. If it's close to your heart, you're working behind the scenes. It can be as simple as that. You're working on a project, doing something which is really, really a source of happiness to you. It's something like that. And if it is a relationship, then you are in this relationship, but then you are not sharing it with anyone. You are feeling very happy and enthusiastic, very liberated. You're feeling very childlike in this situation. And with the Two of Wands here, with the Temperance and the High Priestess, I really don't see any action here as such. What I feel is that you are doing the homework type of a thing. You know it's there, but you're not. Here again with the Two of Wands, you are, since you are waiting again here for something, you are waiting to make a move. That's what I feel. And with the Temperance and the High Priestess, you are being very very intuitive, because this is really close to your heart. It's very precious to you. You really don't want to spoil it. You want to go slow. You want to moderate things. You want to be very very intuitive, in the sense that you really do not want to spoil this happiness. You are, it's closely guarded happiness. It's something like that. Whatever this shift is, whatever this change is, it seems to be very close to your heart. It's closely guarded. You are waiting for the right time or an opportunity to reveal it perhaps to people. It can be as simple as that, or to make a move. Whatever it is, either you have to make a move or tell about it to someone. Whatever it is, you're waiting for something, right opportunity, right time, right person. I don't know what that is, but you're really waiting. It seems to be a pause, a major shift in your happiness, but a pause to, before you reveal it to people, or you and unfold it. Whatever it is, you want to go slow, you want to moderate things, and that is what your intuition says. You are very very intuitively guided at this time. Librans, it is a major change, and it seems to be beautiful. So that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and thanks for joining here. Bye.